so when the van's not on, you can flip on the fuel pump and just hit the key. What's going on, everyone? As you can see behind me, I finally got a new van. Well, new to me. It's been since 2020 since I got rid of my other one. I think I had a 2009 E150 extended cargo van. I ended up putting airbags on it because I was pulling the big trailer. But I finally picked this up. This is a 2017 3500. This is a big daddy. I think I'm gonna call it Betty White because it's a big one. Yeah, I got the extra long version just to throw the pack outs and all that stuff in there. And what's really cool about this, let me show you. Got that there compressor. I'm not going to use it. I'm going to end up deleting it, but it's pretty slick. So when the van's not on, you can flip on the fuel pump and just hit the key. Got a reel for the air hose. The exhaust goes underneath the van, which is cool. But I'm going to delete this. Probably that shelf too. This is coming out. I don't know if I'm going to keep this or not. This would I think this would probably come in handy on some service calls for, you know, I don't know. Bleep bloop it down in the comment section what you guys think. I was thinking about keeping this table and including some pack out bases so I can put pack outs out, but I think that's attached to that one. Actually, it's not. It's attached still to the ground, but I know that one's coming out for sure. Let me take you over there and show you. I've never had a van with a slide door. I kind of like this. So I got plenty of room. This here, I just don't know what I would use it for. I don't think these shelves are pretty much stationary. I don't know. Put it down in the comment section if you guys think I should keep this shelf, or I'm gonna keep this for sure. This is what I'm used to. I used to put cardboard down to kind of keep stuff from rattling around, but I'm definitely going to keep this one here. Yeah, I don't. It's got some storage up on top. But yeah, I don't know. I don't think I'm going to keep this one because it's just, yeah, just not a lot of room in this one. But this one here is pretty cool. It's got a little storage on top, nothing crazy, but these just slide out. They're on ball bearings, really nice. I mean, it seems like every drawer gets a little deeper. This here has some potential for sure. These come out. I think I can take those out too. The bottom one's a little deeper, so I can put some tools. I can go with the seasons. You know, I can put contactors, relays, capacitors, and in the wintertime I can put igniters, gas valves, stuff like that in here. So this one's probably going to stay. This is a pretty nice setup. But like I said, leave it in the comment section below what you guys would do. And if you guys if any of you guys techs out there, that this came from what is that, Crown lift truck fleet crew. So if anybody out there watches my videos, and if you guys came across one of these, tell me what you guys did to something like this. If you don't mind put your comments in either in the comment section, or you can email me at advanhvac@gmail.com. You can send me some pictures of what you guys got. That'd be great, man. Give me some ideas. I'm really excited. I'm really excited about this. I've been working out of my 2012 Tundra since 2000, and I've been wanting a van for a long time. I wanted to get a high top, but for pulling this trailer, let me show you. So to pull my trailer, it's a big boy. I mean, this is 9,700 pounds is what I can haul. I think with this thing loaded down, I'm about 7,000 pounds. And I'll eventually, when I get it all cleaned up, I'll do a tour of this. But I needed something to pull this thing, and I know that will pull 3 of those. This has got the 6.0 in it. I do have to go down about 2 or 3 weeks, and I gotta get a class 4 hitch put on with a brake controller. So I got a little work to do on this yet, just to get this thing ready to go, but I'm gonna get it in next week, get a transmission service, plugs, rear diff taken care of. I got an exhaust leak, I'm gonna have them take care of that. But yeah, I needed something big enough to haul my trailer. And those high tops, I really wanted those because of my knees. I mean, I've been doing this trade for 31 years and my knees are toast. And I was kind of dreading getting another one of these just because of being on your knees. You have to crawl. I can still kind of crawl up in there, but I wanted to stand. But those newer van or newer transits, whatever, I don't think they would have pulled that trailer very well. That trailer's heavy. My Tundra pulled it just fine. I know this thing will pull it just fine. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update. I'm really excited that I got this. I've been waiting for a long time, and I finally did it. So, and the best thing it is I was able to save my money up, and I bought it cash outright. Didn't have to do any kind of financing, which is really cool, especially in today's times. Just really blessed with I was able to do. I've been saving for a long time. Send me an email at advanhvac@gmail.com. You can send me some pictures, or if you want to leave it in the comment section below where for me to go to look at some pictures of different van layouts, stuff like that. Or if there's something on YouTube, I don't know. I'm sure there is, but I'm just going to reach out to my community to see if you guys can help me out on this. I'd greatly appreciate it, and I'll give you some updates as I change stuff on this. And when I get it fully stocked, I'll take you another van tour. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.